How to open a Demat account? Opening a Demat account is every individual's query who wants to invest in the Indian stock market. The procedure for opening a Demat account is as follows. Step 1. The individual should visit the depository participant. The depository participants are the brokers with whom an individual shall deal or place orders. The depository participants can be a bank or an agent who is operating as a link between the depository and investor. In addition, an individual looking to open a Demat account online must visit the website of the depository participant. Step 2. The individual must fill the Demat account opening form. He must submit the documents that are compulsory for account opening. The following documents must be submitted along with the account opening form. 1. PAN number. 2. Identity proof that includes Aadhar Card, driving license, passport, etc. 3. Residence proof like Ration Card, Aadhar Card, voter ID card, etc. 4. Passport size photo with self-attestation. However, if a company wants to open a Demat account, the following additional documents need to be compulsorily submitted along with the account opening form. 1. The identity proof and residential proof, PAN number, photograph, and DIN of the directors of the company. 2. Copies of the balance sheet for the last 2 financial years. 3. The shareholding pattern of the company. 4. List of authorized signatures. 5. Copy of the resolution for investment in securities. 6. Copies of certificate of incorporation and MOA. Step 3. The depository participant and investor shall enter into an agreement. Furthermore, the agreement shall be binding along with certain rules and regulations. In addition, the investor must carefully read the copy of the agreement given by the depository participant. When the agreement between the investor and depository participant is signed, the verification of documents is done. Then the Demat account number is given to the investor after successful verification. The verification process takes around 10 to 15 days. The investor can indulge in trading of shares and securities through the account. The investor can regularly monitor his transactions through the Demat account. In addition, the account updates all the transactions automatically. The most important criteria when selecting a depository participant, apart from their service, is the charges on the Demat account. For more knowledge and information, visit our website, www.niftytradingacademy.net.